Hello, my name is Armin Pühringer and I'm Business Development Manager of Hilscher Automation. I would like to introduce you now into our world of CC-Link and CC-Link IE in the future. Hilscher is specialized in the industrial communication and we are supporting the global automation industry with our multi-protocol chips called netX, and we do so by having subsidiaries in 9 countries around the world. And we have 260 employees serving our customers. At the heart of our technology is the netX multi-protocol chip. Based on our netX technology with our own stack developments, we have developed a platform of different products ranging from a simple chip integration to modules and up to PC cards, gateways and higher level products. Hilscher has most of the master and slave technology which is used in the industrial protocols, and CC-Link slave technology is an important asset for Hilscher in our business in Asia. When we look to our netX product family, you see that we have a simple network access controller like the netX 5 and 6. Due to the nature of our customer base, the device manufacturers of course have a strong need for slave type of protocol stacks and slave type of communication chips. Here we serve the markets with the netX 51, 52, and this is the base of our technology. We have on top of that master chips which are called netX 100, netX 500. The master technology is very important for Hilscher to have a thorough understanding of the industrial protocol. At the top end, we will launch this year the netX 4000, which combines the power of an ARM-based CPU with the netX field protocol communication technology. Let us have a look at what we are doing with CC-Link technology. Since many years we provide PC cards like PCI or PCI Express to our customers. These cards are mainly used by robotic companies like DensoWave and others. And in addition to that, we have recently launched our mini PCI Express card with extended temperature range and non-volatile RAM. These PC cards are serving those customers who have the requirement to provide connectivity around the globe to the different markets. And it's very clear that in many markets, CC-Link is a must-have. Of course, there is also a need to connect to existing plant equipment. So gateways are important to connect to our different protocols from CC-Link. Hilscher provides here field bus to CC-Link slave gateways, and we are also able to connect CC-Link slave to real-time Ethernet systems. For those device manufacturers who are looking for an embedded type of solution, the next level of integration would be to use modules in different form factors. Our CC-Link product range varies and we provide DIL32, dual inline 32 communication ICs, which are mainly used for scale manufacturers. Then those device manufacturers who have, for example, servo and drive technology in their offer, they like to use also our exchangeable modules. This helps them to serve CC-Link markets and at the same time to reduce the number of product variants because they can just plug in at the customer side even our exchangeable module, which is called netjack. Our most sold module with CC-Link is our communication module COMX. This module is attached to the main board and provides CC-Link connectivity. When we look now one level below, we have a product which is called netX chip carrier. This is a small module which is soldered to the main board. It allows faster time to market. It allows to work with CC-Link for those products where a customer first want to evaluate market possibilities and business volumes. And the highlight would be here that fast prototyping is possible with those kind of netX chip carriers. The platform strategy from Hilscher allows to use the same CC-Link slave protocol stack on all the different hardware platforms from Hilscher. What is the benefit for our customers? The benefit for device makers is that they can get the integrated solution from Hilscher to easily integrate CC-Link with hardware base and protocol stack out of one hand from Hilscher, and then they can easily connect to their host application. They are using a dual-ported memory or a serial port memory, and this is very easy. We have standard interfaces with our CIFX API, CIFX toolkit. Standardization of software interfaces is at the heart of our platform strategy. The benefit for our customer is that it makes it much more easy to integrate CC-Link. So now let's have a look at some technical information about our CC-Link implementation. The memory footprint which we require is pretty small, with 31 kilobyte code and some 13 kilobyte static data. 120 kilobyte heap memory, that's the memory footprint. And you see that the performance, the CPU load for a netX 10 as an example with 90% is also pretty low. So this speaks in favor of the architecture of CC-Link. We see a typical performance of a 2 milliseconds CC-Link cycle time and 1 millisecond update rate. So all in all, we talk here about proven CC-Link slave implementation. When we look to the hardware side of the CC-Link protocol implementation, we talk here about the CC-Link version 2.00 remote device station. This is very clearly defined by the CLPA, and Hilscher is following those recommendations. The CLPA has a very clear strategy on how to certify CC-Link installations. It's very clearly defined. There are well-proven certification procedures in place. And the benefit for the market, for the industry, is that if you follow those certification procedures, interoperability is guaranteed. The hardware interface works with the recommended parts list from CLPA, which talks about the bus integration with filters, optocouplers and so on. Nevertheless, the original recommended parts list is using 5-volt technologies. Hilscher has approached the CLPA and was suggesting a hardware interface with 3.3 volt optocouplers. And due to the importance of the CC-Link technology for Hilscher, we went into detailed discussion here with CLPA. We are happy to say that our suggestions has been accepted. The benefit for our customers, which CLPA and Hilscher together has been found out, is that when you're using the 3.3 volt technologies, then you achieve lower power consumption, less heat emission, and with the components we suggested to CLPA, you have then an additional benefit, which is that you use less components. And that means, of course, less space requirements on the PCB, on the printed circuit board. We provide this hardware interface based on 3.3 volt technology components to our customers, and we support our customers in the integration of CC-Link. There is another advantage which Hilscher brings forward to our customer base, and that is that with our technology, customers are allowed to go for a simplified conformance test with 2 devices. There is also an extended conformance test defined by CLPA, which requires the connection of up to 42 devices. And this extended conformance test with up to 42 devices is then no longer required for device manufacturers. So this is another advantage to achieve a shorter time to market for our customers. And that is important for all the device manufacturers. Then you see that there is also a small net rapid available, a chip carrier which holds with these 3.3 optocoupler technologies a complete CC-Link interface. It is one of the important things that CLPA really is taking care about a thoroughly performed certification. And of course, we have the certificates which prove that we are following the CLPA conformance test procedures and that we achieve the positive result here. Hilscher supports not only the CC-Link technology, we are also very happy to support with marketing activities executed by CLPA, since we believe that the CC-Link technology and in future for Hilscher the CC-Link IE will be an essential part of our market offer. Having CC-Link IE in the future is a very clear commitment by Hilscher. We cover different applications, different use cases with our CC-Link technology. Of course, we start by connecting CC-Link to our host controller. So Hilscher is supporting with CC-Link a whole range of different products from our customers. That ranges from drives to scanners to I/O blocks up to HMI terminals. And the way how we do it is really with different chip technologies, different interfaces internally. So we have different ways how to support these customer products with CC-Link. Let me share with you now how customers and where customers are using our netX technology. You see that our users are spread around the globe, and you can see that beside of Germany as our home market, there is a strong and growing community of netX users, especially in markets like Korea or China or Japan. And we are very happy to say that Japan is our second biggest chip market outside of Germany. And that made it very clear that the cooperation with CLPA, that the support, and this made it very clear for Hilscher that the support of the CLPA and the support of the technologies brought to the market by CLPA is at the heart of the Hilscher strategy. When we look to the different netX applications, you can easily see that there is a big variety of different applications. There are some highlights because Hilscher is very strong with the master technology, and it's used in PLC or in control applications. But we strongly feel and we strongly see that we can contribute to the growth of CC-Link technologies in the future, since our technology is used in many different areas. We are very proud to say that we are serving a global market and that nearly all of the major automation companies are our customers. You see here just some of them, but there are much more companies which are using our technologies. This was to show you what we have done in the past together with CLPA. I am very happy to say that also in the context of the new industrial Internet of Things, we are very proud to continue to work together with CLPA, and the new market opportunities will be definitely challenging for both of us, and it will provide big opportunities for both of us. So thank you and goodbye.